Okay, I guess we can start slowly. Our next team, let me double check our next team. Oh, previous team was with the blue colors in the presentation. Now, like the opposite, our next red team, Redcom. Is here anybody from the Redcom?
Yes. Do you miss me?
Hello, yes, Ludmila.
Yet again.
Start share your screen.
I'm
Okay.
sharing right now.
See it? You can start.
So, good afternoon, fellas. My name is Ludmila from the Redcom team, and shall we start? Thus, our product owner is Khabarovsk internet service provider Redcom. Currently, there are two distinct apps on iOS and on Android. Our purpose is to demonstrate that the cost will be reduced sharply and the development process will be faster via development on a language Dart using a famous cross-platform framework Flutter. Moreover, we help Redcom fix its administration panel, which is now absolutely unusable, and presently it is our main task for some time forward. Speaking about tasks, before talking about our progress in this week, let's once again cover all the stuff we have done previously. What was made by designers? So you can see story map, mobile screen design, style guide to those screens, and design of administration panel. Programmers, on the other hand, were loaded with those tasks. Supporting documents, user authentication, web view screens, and other tasks related to the mobile app. In this sprint particularly, our team has started to work on the administration panel and classic and new design connection. So, designers improve design a little according to feedback from both product owner and programmers. As for programmers, that's correctly, they have successfully implemented the mobile app with switch between two design possibilities. You can see here on the right give, the programmer switches between two designs. And also administration panel logic and screens layout were made. And here comes explanation why it is only a layout and logic that we made. We weren't able to get the access to the test account in administration panel since our product owner hasn't provided to us yet, but we do hope that the solution of the problem is only a matter of time. But we have plenty of tasks we can do without access to the panel. That's why we're dividing our next sprint plan on two parts. Those tasks that can be done regardless of whether we have the access or not, and those that depend on received access. So we're going to do first part while we haven't gotten access, but as soon as we get in it, we will start another group of tasks immediately due to their importance. I remind, once again, that administration panel development is the primary goal on student labs to our team. That's all I wanted to say. Actually, thank you for the attention.
Okay, thank you, Ludmila. Everything seems good to me. Any questions? No questions. Probably I have a small development question. How was your API layer implementation? If there are developers, can you please say me?
API, do you mean in administration panel that we're talking about?
No. Reverse engineering of the API layer and implementation of the API handlers in the mobile application, yes, and in the admin dashboard. So I just want to hear everything is good, or you have some problems.
So I remind you once again that mobile app is not necessary for our plan on student labs. Our primary task is to finish administration panel, and the mobile app is optional, so strictly optional. And we I'm not sure what's with API, but I'm sure that that is not necessary problem right now. We did also we did switch between classic and old design just to show that, just to demonstrate that we can do that app on Flutter, and those details are not that matter.
Okay. Please, I show you my question. Maybe there will be some feedback in the chat. Okay, I don't have any questions. We can proceed with the next team. And I remind everyone, give the feedback to the Redcom team. Next our team is the MBO team. MBO. Ludmila, you can stop. Yes, you can stop sharing of your screen.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
We can see your screen. All is good.
Okay. This is MBO assistant. I am Sofia, and I am a project manager. This is my cool team. The MBO assistant always be in touch with the patient, both remind about the procedure, provide information, and show care. Let me remind you that in previous sprints, we did authentication, search for a patient from a doctor and an admin, approved the logger, and began testing. At the first sprint, we started working with the main functionality, the technology for sending delayed messages, and fixed bugs in the search. The week started with bug fixes. Now the search for admin and doctor is convenient and understandable for user. The main purpose of the bot is to send messages about procedure, give recommendation, and send surveys after the procedure. We use Redis for this. Redis requires messages when a patient arrives in a certain stage. We call these messages scripts. Scripts are sent at a specific time. We implemented all function with scripts from the admin. He can send the script to the select patient. Now you can watch it. Also, the admin can edit the scripts for everyone. And the admin can edit the selected patient scripts. You can also patient surveys a period. And the results are saved in the database, and the doctor can view it. This week, the tester created test cases and test updates. This week, we did a great job with all the tasks. The whole team is great. Next week, we need to fix bugs and add content from the customer to the bot and set the sending time. Thank you for your attention. I will be glad to answer your question in voice or text chat.
Okay, thank you, Sofia. Any questions? Okay, I have one or two probably two questions. As I remember, I asked the both development teams to check the Telegram API in case if they are implemented the feature of the scheduling messages. Like they have the scheduling messages flag in the send message. Did you check if this feature was implemented or it was not implemented, so you use Redis for scheduling the messages?
We write about it in IOgram chat, and mentors tell us that it doesn't possible. So we use Redis.
Okay, I get it. We have a question from Lena. Then I give you a microphone. Or you don't have a question?
Elena is a speaker from Aurora Chess.
Okay. Yes, and second question I have, it's, do you guys have some kind of test environment like the test bot so we can check it?
No, because our CRM is private. Like we didn't.
Okay. So thank you very much, Sofia. And our next team, it's yes, Lena is here, Aurora Chess. We can proceed with the Aurora team presentation. So Lena, prepare your presentation, and I remind again for every other team to share your feedback with the teams that present today. So, okay, Lena, give you a word.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you and I can see your presentation.
Nice. Hello, everyone. This is our Chess team. Today we will present our work for this sprint. My name is Lena. I'm the designer of this project, and this is our ML developer Losha with me today. I'll start and he'll finish. Let me briefly remind you about our project. The main goal is to make the mobile app for chess game for our operation system. Our app will allow users to play against a bot at different difficulty levels, as well as on a personal level. The users can adjust the settings according to their preferences. Additionally, our MVP includes the ability to play chess with a friend offline. You can see the structure of our presentation on the slide now. We'll start with marketing, move on to testing, and finish with management. Our first stage is marketing. This week, we launched a Telegram channel decided to our project. This channel already includes several posts, and we would be happy to have you among its subscribers. Furthermore, we continue to work with social media. As part of the sprint, we analyzed OK and VK. VK showed good results, and you can see part of the channel analysis on the slide. Based on these results, we decided to add VK to our list of social media platform for promotion. Unfortunately, OK does not fit the format of our application, and it's low efficiency promotion channel for us, so we will not be using it. Move to design. We improved the application design this week. Here you can see model windows with hints. And on the over slide, you can see as shown some handbook pages. I give the floor to Losha now. He'll tell you about develop part.
Hello, colleagues. About frontend, we added functionality to time buttons. Now our design of the application is related to the logic in the project. Also, we made code refactoring to normal style, and in addition, our frontenders decompose menu settings screen and added a local SQLite database where settings are saved. What's about machine learning? There we build simple greedy models such as Monte Carlo tree search and minimax algorithms, and created a dataset of chess games for our independent model. And also for this we made notation conversions functions, and there from PGN to FEN and bitboard formats. Next, few words about testing. There we created a step enumeration checklist for test management system and started to test demo project. That's where the programming news ends, and I give the floor to Yelena.
Thank you. Move to management. On this week, we organized 2 general meetings, 11 meetings in groups, carried out reviews were conducted with 3 mentors, marketing design and Flutter. The results of was declared for the sprint, 84% done, 5% in progress, and 11% in review. Additional front-end plus 2 tasks. Thank you for your attention. It's all. We are ready to answer your questions.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Alexey, Elena. I have a small question. Why did you skip the backend part in the presentation?
I think that backend part we will use in our MVP plus, sorry. And now our backend developer is working with Mentor.
Oh, and he didn't do any tasks in the sprint.
I have a little information about it, sorry.
Okay, okay. Any questions for the Aurora chess team? No. Okay, okay. Share your feedback with the Aurora chess team. And I guess we proceed with the last one team in the group C. It's the video team. Thank you very much, Helena. Let's say again, video team. Is anybody here? Is there any participant of the video team?
Yes, we are here. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Oscar. Hello. Share, please, your presentation with us.
Yes, 1 second, please.
Okay. Well, Oscar, it's set it up the presentation already. We see it. Can you please say some sentence, any sentence, like hello, everybody?
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Okay, no, your mic is kind of noisy. Maybe you have some like
okay.
headphones.
Yes, I have Yulia, our designer, with us today, so maybe she can do the voiceover of the presentation.
It will be good. And again, for everybody, on our today demo, I remind to give feedback to the teams to prepare for the really good and amazing weekends. It will be good if there will not be some hot weather because, okay, Julia, hello.
Hello, everybody. We are Video team. We making a mobile application for the Omsk network of video opticians. It will be available in Play Market and App Store. The application includes functions such as buying goods, finding out prices, make an appointment with a doctor, track the status of orders, find the nearest optics in the map, ask questions in online chat, and save bonuses for save bonuses. Okay. In the past sprints, our team completed the development of key features such as registration, authentications, doctor appointment, booking, personal account, product account. We also made significant progress in design. Currently, we are working on the admin panel and other features, and integration with the backend is still ongoing. The backend team has launched a server so that developers can configure receiving data for authorization and registration without sending SMS, catalog without pictures, doctor's appointments and getting information about optics, current promotions, users' order history. Okay. Android made an appointment with the doctor. It isn't current slide. Okay, Android made an appointment with the doctor. You can see the user flow on the slide. Next feature is a list of promotions. How it works is shown on the slide. It also includes a share button. On the slide, you can see how our users uses the catalog, filters goods by price, and goes into the lenses card to make an order. iOS team created onboarding that shows main features for new user, created animation for discount card, started working with the network, and the first thing they started implementing is promotion. You can see the slide current. Front-end team has made a page with editing optics shop services. The design team made a splash screen, onboarding and approved team and improved them, and online chat with the customer. We planned server deployment to take one day, but it turned out to be problematic. We encountered unexpected issues, and resolving them took up too much time this sprint. Plans for the next sprint are organized by teams. What are our plans for the next sprint? Android team, code refactoring and connect with server side. iOS team, connecting rest of the screens with server side. Backend team, implementing buying and paying for goods feature. Design team, researching a new in-app, custom classes constructor, and creating fortune feature design. Front-end team, doctor's cards and information about shop features. Okay, and now look at the photos. On the left, you can see us working hard. And on the right side, you can see us spending summer ties together. We organized team building and in three different locations in one day. We are not just a project, we are the team that converts business needs on weekdays and spends summer days together on weekends. Thank you for attention. We are ready to answer your questions.
Okay, thank you very much, Julia. That was nice presentation. Any questions? Maybe somebody? I want to ask you a small technical question. Did you guys implement the searching of the goods on the front-end side or on the back-end side? So you show before the Android team, it's implement the glasses search. If there are no technician guys, you can answer me in the chat. So I don't have any question. Everything seems good to me. I guess we're done here. Thank you, Yulia. You can stop your screen sharing. Thank you, Oskar. Okay, I remind everybody again that we have a beautiful feedback form that you must fill and share your feedback with the teams, with all the teams, yes, except Johan, to share with them your thoughts and so on. And okay, I guess we're done. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, all the teams. Today was a good demo on the good language. And have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Bye bye, everybody.